In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Siri without speaking on your iPhone. Now, if you're someone who doesn't want to speak it all the time to use Siri, it's very easy just to type it, but you have to go through a couple directions to get there. So what you want to do is go to your settings. You want to scroll down to where it says accessibility. Then from here, go all the way down to the bottom where it says Siri under general. And then here you have a bunch of different options that you can kind of go through. But you want to look at the top where it says type to Siri. And you want to toggle that on since you see it off here. So toggle that on. And then you can go through and go back to your home page, whatever, and hit that same button that you would usually use for Siri. And you can use the same button. But instead, now it comes up with the type box rather than Siri and you have to speak it. So we can just go ahead and type in a question here. Empire State Building. And then hit done. Subscribe for some more easy iPhone tips.